how to manage public post comments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage public post comments on Facebook mobile. First thing we're going to do is go to Facebook and then click on these three lines and go down into your files, settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down, and here you will find this one, followers and public content, and then just you will find this one here, public post comment. Just manage anything you want and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.